Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to put a voiceover in Canva. So first you have to open your design, then click on upload and you will see the option of record yourself. You just have to click on it and here you will see the first option of record voiceover. You just have to click on it and you will see a red button will appear at the center of your screen. Tap on it to start recording and narrates your script. Once you finish it, click on the close or the finish button and then after that go to uploads, click on the audio tab and here you will find your recorded voiceover. You just have to drag it and drop onto the timeline. Now adjust it according to your design and click on the play button to preview it at once. If you find everything's perfect, then click on the share button at the top right side and hit the download button to share it anywhere. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.